assembled. Like we need it in the middle to be symmetric. We go to mechanical. We go to the advancements. We go to reading. Then we select this side of the table cover. Select also this side. Then we select the frame, that side, and also the frame side. Okay, there we are good to go. So we can also bring out the mate command again. Then we are done with this, the longest side. Then we need the width also be symmetrical. We want it to balance very well. So this feature can hold here. So this one we need to select that side of that table cover. We select also this side. Then and select the frame can do that. And also do that. This one is also. It's also done. We have our table, the frame, plus the top. Okay, that's the frame plus the top. You can try to see it from different views. Or maybe why these lines are somehow appearing, the sketch lines, we can put them off. We're just switching off sketches. We have our table.
It's not about the colors on the surface.
That's our table that we managed to design. SolidWorks is some simple software when given time, so anybody can teach it to him or herself, like I did. So slowly by slowly, you get to master how different commands work, how to use them, how to be faster. In the coming series, in coming episodes, I will be taking you through step by step how to go about SolidWorks. Today we managed to design a simple table. This one will only be left with how this top will be anchored to the frame, so it will be by bolts. So we just need to create some. We need to create holes down there, bolts. This is it for today. We managed to design our table. The frame is metallic and then the top is wooden. Thanks guys, thanks a lot. Never mind, don't forget to sign, to subscribe, and to like my channel on YouTube, Candy Designs. Thank you very much. I hope to see you guys again. Thank you.